Welcome back. Throughout this module, we've explored various relaxation techniques to empower you to manage stress and cultivate inner peace during your menopause journey. Today, we'll delve deeper into meditation, a powerful practice that can significantly enhance your calm and well-being. The power of mindful moments. Meditation is not about emptying your mind or achieving some perfect state. It's about training your attention to focus on the present moment, often through observing your breath. This simple practice can reduce stress and anxiety, improve sleep quality, enhance self-awareness, boost mood and emotional regulation, increase focus and concentration. Let's experience the calmness. Join me in this short guided meditation. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you can sit or lie down. Close your eyes, and when you feel comfortable, let's begin. Take a moment to settle into a relaxed position, allowing your body to rest comfortably. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh air, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Let go of any tension you may be holding onto. Now, shift your attention to your natural breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest, or the sensation of the breath at your nostrils. Take a few moments to observe the breath without trying to change it. Just let it be as it is. As you breathe in, feel the air entering your body, bringing with it a sense of calm and relaxation. And as you exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress that may have accumulated within you. If your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath. Picture your thoughts as passing clouds, drifting across the sky of your mind. Acknowledge them without judgment, and then bring your focus back to your breath. Continue to breathe at your own pace, paying attention to each inhale and exhale. If you find your mind wandering, gently guide it back without frustration. This is a natural part of the meditation process. As you cultivate this awareness of your breath, notice the present moment unfolding around you. Be fully present in the now, letting go of any concerns about the past or the future. Allow your breath to be your anchor to the present moment. If your mind is busy, use each breath as an opportunity to return to the present. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath grounding you in this moment. As we near the end of this meditation, take a few deep breaths, gradually bringing your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you're ready, open your eyes. I hope you feel more centered and present after this brief breath awareness meditation. Carry this sense of mindfulness with you as you go about your day. Take a moment to reflect on your practice. What did you notice during this brief meditation? Did you experience any sensations of calm or peace? Opening the door to further exploration. Meditation is a vast and personalized practice. While a few minutes of meditation might seem short, its impact can be profound. Remember, even a few minutes of daily practice can significantly benefit your well-being. Let me know in the comments. What resonated most with you during this meditation? Did you encounter any challenges? Are you curious to explore meditation further? Let's deepen our reflection to reflect on your overall experience of this module so far. Which relaxation techniques resonated most with you? How do you plan to incorporate them into your daily routine? What challenges do you anticipate facing? It might be helpful to put your challenges in the comments, as someone else may have the same issue or may have found a solution. Some observational tips. Regular practice. The benefits of relaxation techniques grow with consistent practice. Finding what works for you. Experiment with different techniques and find what resonates most. Self-compassion. Be patient and kind to yourself as you cultivate a relaxation practice. Remember, you have the power to cultivate inner peace and manage stress through relaxation techniques. Embrace this journey of self-discovery and empower yourself with the tools to navigate menopause with greater calm and resilience.